Welcome back, my friends. Today I'm sharing with you all my fabulous recipe for making a Puerto Rican style shrimp and sausage rice soup, and I promise you, you will love it. So make sure to stick around and watch. Alright friends, so let's begin with our shrimp. Place your thawed and rinsed shrimp in a bowl and add the juice of 1 lemon and 1 heaping spoon of minced garlic, and use as much as you want. For me, there's just never too much garlic. And 1 teaspoon of adobo. Mix everything well and place the shrimp to the side. Now let's cut a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, half an onion, a potato, and an entire kielbasa sausage, and put these to the side as well. Heading over to the stove, use a pot that can hold at least 4 quarts. Set the stove at a medium-high heat and place 2 tablespoons of butter. Now we're going to make the base of this delicious soup. Go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of sofrito, 2 tablespoons of pimientos, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper or more if you want a little bit more spice to it, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a packet of sazon, and your onion, and simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. You will notice that this base will begin to thicken. Once you're done simmering this base, go ahead and add 8 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of adobo and mix everything. You're going to let everything come to a simmer. Once the soup comes to a boil, add the potatoes, rice, and kielbasa, and half of the fresh cilantro and mix it. And we are going to let it come to a boil again. A quick little kitchen tip that I want to share with you guys is that while I'm typically waiting for my food to come to a simmer, I go ahead and place my dishes in the dishwasher just to be more efficient with my time. If you're enjoying this recipe, please feel free to hit that like button and comment down below. It really does mean so much to me when I hear from you. Once this happens, go ahead and cover up your pot and turn the burner all the way down to low and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on what consistency you like your rice to be. If you are interested, I have this recipe posted on my blog as well, and I have linked it in the description box below for you to go ahead and check out. Now back to the soup. Once the 15 to 20 minutes are done, go ahead and open up your pot and add the shrimp and all the remaining cilantro, and you're going to let this cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, the best part has come. Serve your soup in a bowl with some tostones or a slice of avocado on the side. It's just that easy. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe, remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!